Right, guys, so that was like a 4 minute take profit, right? Very simple. I actually have this entry method in one of my videos. If you look down the list in the Discord channel, you'll see the 15 or the candle flip entry, right? You can do it on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, but I won't go much lower than that, okay? Now, what I want to explain is that you got this, so up here, there's another candle flip entry. If we just look to the top here, you could have taken pretty much any of these, right? But the reason why I wanted to wait for it to come down to the bottom here was because we had this daily level, all right? So the daily level, I wanted to see that break, and you can see price pushing down. It's closed bearish, all right? We're just coming up to like the last sort of 15-minute candle on the hour of the first of the 4 hour. So 10 a.m. candle starts here, right? It's 10 a.m. You've got the next candle moves down, next candle moves down, the next candle is going to follow through, and I was expecting price to come down and just to sort of fill this wick. And even if it came down and then pulled back, I was only looking for 1-to-1, so I'm looking for, like, I think it's a little bit less than that actually, because I have 55 pips stop loss, so I was risking less. It's just over 1-to-1, so 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1. Yeah, 1 to 1.24, right? So that's not bad. Now, I don't care if it carries on. I don't care how far it goes, because my job is done, right? It can carry on all the way down here, right? My job as a trader is to make money day to day, right? And sometimes all you need to do in order to have that kind of consistency is just to hit one single candle, whether it be a 15-minute, whether it be a 30-minute, or whether it be a 1 hour candle. If you can predict one candle every single day, you can be a very profitable trader. Now, the candle entry is very similar, right? So in terms of a candlestick anatomy, right? A candlestick will open, and if it's going to close bearish, the first thing it's going to do is it's going to come up and form the wick. So I waited for this candle to come up, okay, form the wick, and then I wanted it to start moving bearish. I moved bearish and it just followed straight through, which was nice for me, because sometimes it can just kind of bounce around a little bit. I was a little bit dubious that we were coming up to the last 15-minute candle on the hour, but I thought, and I was watching the volume, that there was going to be enough volume and enough momentum, because the main reason was because we've broken and closed below the daily level here, right? So candle comes up, forms the wick, moves all the way down, and then in roughly about 4 or 5 minutes, so my entry's here, which is probably about a minute or two into the 15-minute candle. As it passes through, it goes straight into profit. It never pulls back to my entry, and the next 5-minute candle in the first couple of seconds just takes my take profit. So I'm out, I'm done, right? Now, I've had to watch that all day, so for me to say it's a 4-minute entry or a 4-minute trade, it's not really. It's taken all morning up until like 9:45 to watch price action. I considered getting in here, which probably would have done roughly the same thing, but that wasn't my trading plan. That wasn't what I wanted to do. I was looking for the trade that I've just showed you, which is basically a candle flip entry, right? One of the most powerful entries that you can have, because if the candle comes up, forms the wick, moves down, moves bearish, where's its next destination? Well, the next destination is this wick as a minimum, so I can get to break even. And then the next potential destination is to fill this wick here. So if it's going to break that wick, it's going to follow through. And as it's hitting my take profit, it started to pull back. You can see the next candles come up, move down. The volume's starting to come out now, 11:30. So why would I keep holding this trade? That, for me, is pretty much a perfect entry. And if you're a day trader and you're looking for consistency, it's all you need to do is just hit those 1-to-1s, sometimes a little bit more, and yeah, take your profit and get on with your day. Any questions on this, guys? Hit me up in the chat room, and yeah, take a look through some of the videos if you haven't already watched them, because this entry is smoking. All right, see you in the chat room.